Stickman graduated with a degree and a debt that followed him everywhere. Every paycheck, every decision, every plan, controlled by student loans. But he didn't stay stuck forever. Here's how Stickman finally broke free. Student loan debt feels endless. You pay every month, yet the balance barely moves. That's not an accident. It's how the system works. But today, Stickman will show you how to take control, pay smarter, and crush student loan debt faster, without extreme sacrifices. When Stickman first checked his loan statement, something felt wrong. He had paid for months, but the total barely changed. That's because student loans are designed around interest first, progress later. In the early years, most of your payment goes to interest, not the principal. So even though you're paying, the debt feels glued to you. This creates frustration, stress, and burnout, which causes many people to give up and just pay the minimum. But minimum payments are the slowest, most expensive way to escape debt. Stickman realized the problem wasn't effort, it was strategy. Before crushing debt, Stickman needed clarity. He listed every loan, total balance, interest rate, minimum payment, lender. No guessing, no ignoring, because you can't beat what you don't fully understand. He quickly noticed something important. Some loans had much higher interest rates than others. Those high-interest loans were the real enemy. They were growing faster than he could pay them down. This realization changed everything. Stickman discovered there are only two strategies that actually work. 1. The avalanche method. You pay minimums on all loans, then attack the loan with the highest interest rate first. This saves the most money long-term. 2. The snowball method. You pay minimums on all loans, then attack the smallest balance first. This builds momentum and motivation. Stickman chose avalanche because interest was his biggest enemy. But either method works if you stay consistent. The mistake most people make is switching strategies constantly. Stickman picked one and stuck to it. Stickman didn't destroy his lifestyle to pay debt. Instead, he focused on reducing interest. He looked into refinancing, consolidating loans, income-driven repayment plans. Even dropping interest by 1 or 2% saved him thousands over time. He also set up automatic payments, which often give small interest discounts and prevent missed payments. The goal wasn't suffering, the goal was efficiency. Stickman couldn't afford huge extra payments, but he learned something powerful. Even $50 extra per month compounds massively over time. That extra money goes directly to the principal, which reduces interest, which speeds up payoff. He treated extra payments like a subscription. Automatic, boring, unstoppable. No motivation required. Instead of cutting coffee forever, Stickman focused on earning more. A simple side hustle. Freelance work, online gigs. He didn't use extra income to upgrade his lifestyle. Every extra dollar went straight to debt. This shortened his repayment timeline by years, not months. Student loan debt feels permanent until the moment it isn't. Stickman didn't win by being extreme. He won by being consistent, strategic, and patient. Know your loans. Choose a payoff method. Reduce interest, pay a little extra, increase income when possible. And one day, you'll open your statement and see zero. And hey, if you want to know how I made my first $100 online, click on this video. Hit like, subscribe to Stickman Finance, and share this with someone drowning in student loans. Because crushing debt is easier when you're not doing it alone.